Gene the Bear here, your guide to outdoor adventure at Nantahala Cabins. Going to give you guys a quick tutorial on the key lock box. As you can see, I'm at the front door. The key lock box is just over my shoulder. Now we're going to get a little closer and show you how to open it. Okay, first you open the black lid, just hinges down. You will put in your code in the code numbers. And then you're going to push the black lever down, tug it to you slightly, and there's your key. And we advise all of our customers to keep the key in the key lock box when you go out on your daily adventures, because keys have been lost in Deep Creek and the Nantahala River and things like that, and we don't want that to happen to you. Have a great day.